Hey guys, you're watching Culinary Image. We're all the way here in Pakistan in one of the most famous places for a dish called Shinwari. Basically everything is slow cooked in woks over here with wood fire. So the flavors over here are just extremely amazing because you've got all that wood flavor going on in there. So why don't we go and find out what they really taste like. Let's go try some. These are one of the first things we're gonna try. This is a lamb, basically liver. It's just marinated in salt and pepper, so we'll see what it tastes like. It's a little bit dry for me, but the taste is extremely neutral and very rich because they have wrapped the liver in fat. They have wrapped and cooked it in lamb fat, which gives it a very rich flavor, and it's really moist. The inside is moist, the outer side is very tough, but I think I like it. It's really good. Alright guys, right here I have the lamb chops, and as you can see, these are grilled to perfection, and once again there's no marination on this. All you have is your salt and pepper. And why that is, these are mountain lambs, so the entire flavor comes from the fat. So they don't want you to miss out on the flavor that comes from its fat because it's really buttery and extremely moist, which keeps it moist. So it's a must, definitely a must try. The butcher shop where they're cutting the goat and the lamb. So basically you're getting a fresh cut. Nothing is frozen. So all you tell them which part of the lamb or goat you prefer to have. Either it could be the front shank, could be the ribs. It's up to you. And they will cut it in pieces and go ahead and cook it as you like. Guys, we're about to try a dish called rosh. Basically, it takes 1.5 hours to cook this. It's chunks of whole lamb. It's cooked within its fat actually. And I'm going to show you how moist and tender it is. Basically, you take the traditional bread and you break it off like this and soak it in the sauce and take a bite. It's the flavor, it's extremely spicy, but the flavors, oh my god, the elements that all come together with the flavor is undescribable. The whole crushed peppers you could actually feel and taste. It's a must try. And this is the Afghani bread that they use. This is actually a dish that's from Peshwari, from the northern side of Pakistan. And it's eaten with this handmade oven baked bread. These are the lamb chops that we were looking at being cooked downstairs. So let's see what the first bite tastes like. This is extremely moist and juicy. As you can see, it's still smoking. It's just fresh off the grill. The fat it has so much texture and fat in it and taste in it. It's simply marinated with salt and nothing but pepper. It's definitely something everybody must try. If you ever do come to Pakistan, I highly recommend you try this lamb, which is called dumba over here. So for all the people who enjoy the hand-rolled traditional way of cook of a dish called Shinwari right here. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.